Hey guys, it's Gracie with WTI. If you have large and super heavy potted plants that you haven't moved in years because they're just so dang heavy, well then let me show you how these plant caddies from WEIBIDA can totally help you with that. So the first thing I love about these is that the base is made out of a high quality plastic material and the extenders are stainless steel. So I love that I can use these both indoors and outdoors and it won't be affected by the elements outside. And I love how these wheels rotate a full 360 degrees, making it such a breeze to move it from one place to the next. And you can also lock these wheels in place and prevent it from moving around. This faux palm tree plant hasn't been moved in over a year because it feels like it weighs 50 pounds. So now we just keep it directly on this caddy and I can just move it whenever I need to clean around that area. And the cool thing about these caddies versus all the others I saw was that these are adjustable. So all you do is just unlock these little levers right here and it can stretch up to 21 inches, making them perfect for even your largest plant. And the most mind-blowing feature is that it can hold up to 440 pounds. Wow, crazy, right? So ideally, you can also use these as a dolly to move some of your heavier things around the house. And these textured grooves on the base help to keep your plant or whatever you use these for nice and stable. So these caddies have come in super handy around our house. They're nice and they're sturdy. They've got good solid hardware and I have just been super impressed with these, and that's my point of view.